Hello everyone, today we are going to do experiment 6, which is kinetic reaction to investigate the effect of temperature. So the aim of this experiment is to determine the dependence of the rate of reaction between glucose and acidified potassium manganate 7 on temperature. You will be provided with 3 solutions. The first one, Fa1, is potassium manganate 7, Fa2 is sulfuric acid, and Fa3 is glucose solution. So your first step is to fill up your burette with potassium manganate 7, which is Fa1 solution. Then you will adjust the water level in your Fa3 burette, okay, so that you can see it. Then for your next step, using a 50 cm3 measuring cylinder, you measure around 50 cm3 of your Fa1 solution. So using the same measuring cylinder, measure 50 cm3 of your distilled water inside. Then add around 5 cm3 of your Fa1 into the same beaker. So give it a gently swirl so that it mixes well. For the next part of the experiment, you need to heat up your beaker. Okay, so place your beaker onto a tripod and heat its content up to 75 degrees Celsius and 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, remember to wear your safety goggles. Okay, so you will on the Bunsen burner. Then put the thermometer inside and monitor the temperature. Okay, while the solution is being heated, okay, measure 25 cm3 of your Fa3 solution, which is your glucose solution, using another measuring cylinder. Measure around 25 cm3. Okay, and set this aside. So when the temperature of your content of the beaker had reached around 75 to 80 degrees Celsius, okay, you will turn off your Bunsen burner. Okay, then using a paper towel or a cloth, okay, carefully remove your beaker and put it down on a white towel. Okay, then record the temperature of your solution at this point of time. Okay, so after you stop your heating, you can remove your safety goggles. Then prepare your stopwatch. Okay, once you add the 25 cm³ of Fa3 solution, your glucose solution, you immediately start your timing. Okay, then swirl the content of the solution once and stop it. Okay, so you take note of the time that it takes for the solution to turn colorless. Okay, and record the time and the temperature as soon as the solution is colorless. Okay, and stop. Okay, so I will record the temperature at this point and the time at this point. Okay, after that, I will empty and rinse this beaker and dry it for the further use. You need to repeat the same experiment for 4 times at the same volume of solution but using different temperature. Okay, that's all. Thank you.